How to turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to character AI and then simply either create your character or choose any of these. I'm gonna create a new one for this tutorial just to show you, and I'm gonna enter here test, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply click on create character. So let's say, so I'm gonna have to enter here the greeting, and then I can create it. Now the next step, in order to turn off this NSFW filter, is to simply copy this prompt. So as you can see, simply copy this, turn off NSFW filter, and then you're gonna have to simply go back to your chat and then simply send it to the character. And basically that's all you have to do. As you can see, NSFY filtering is off. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.